In this video, I'm going to show you two different models. First one is using decision tree, and second one will be on using general linear regression. So the first thing we have to do is retrieving the data. For this, I have already imported the data from my computer. So uh, let's take a look at our data. This is the flood prediction data from I got from Kaggle. So the first column will be on row number. It is a trivial thing, and second is ID, which is also trivial, and third one would be monsoon intensity, and this will be on the scale from 0 to 10 as I have shown in the presentation. So the second one would be topography drainage. It would be on the how the drainage systems are present in the that particular area, and third would be river management, how the rivers are being managed at that area. And fourth one would be deforestation. We know uh, the scale of deforestation in that area and urbanization of that area. And the scale of climate change is in this column. And so the next one is dams quality. This thing is also from in the scale of 0 to 10. And the next one would be siltation, and the next thing is uh, as we can see, agricultural practices. And the next one is, I think, encroachments. And these are all these we have some 20 around, yeah, 20 parameters. So this is the flood probability, which is the thing we should be predicting. So this probability is in the range of 0 to 1. 0 means that no flood is being predicted, and one flood probability being 1 is the probability of maximum, that is the flood would be most probable. And so this flood probability is between 0 to 1, and we'll consider in the two ranges. 0 to 0.5 would be no flood, and 0.5 to 1 would be flood. So let's check out how I did in this model. So after retrieving the data, I have directly proceeded to select attributes, as I have seen the uh, um, this data, and I know values are missing in the data, and data is very clean. So from this, I'm going to select all the attributes. Uh, there will be include and exclude attributes. As I want to include all the attributes, so I'm including all the attributes, and a filter type would be all the attributes. So I'm including everything. So setting role, we have to set the label role, target role as a label for flood probability, as we are predicting that. So we are next thing is we should split the data. We'll be splitting the data in 0 0.7 is to 0 0.3, that is 7 is to 3. This is a very standard splitting. So after this, we'll be applying we'll be training our data into the decision tree model. So the criterion which I put is least square criterion, and the maximum depth is, I put it as 10. I think as there are 20 parameters, I think even if we put like 12 to the most probable thing, the most accurate thing would be from 10 to 20. I proceeded with 10, and after this, the performance criteria as follows. So root mean squared error, and absolute error, and relative error. After running this decision tree, so we can see this here. As there are 20 parameters, the decision tree is quite huge. So let's check by zooming out. So as we can see here, this is a very huge tree. And let's go to the next model, that is linear model. So